The silent night sky over the Persian Gulf is shattered as elite US B-21 bombers breach the horizon on a high-stakes mission.
The silent night sky over the Persian Gulf is shattered as elite.
Target locked. Precision-guided munitions streak through the air, aimed at the crown jewel of the regional energy infrastructure. Target locked. Precision-guided munitions streak through the air, aimed at the crown jewel of the regional energy infrastructure.
Impact. A direct hit ignites the raw energy within, sending a massive industrial shockwave through the heart of the facility. As the flames roar, we are reminded of the immense power and volatility hidden within every single drop of refined crude oil. But to understand the true value of what lies in the crosshairs, we must look at the sophisticated science that builds it from the ground up. The hunt for energy begins far beneath the ocean floor, with advanced seismic technology.
These ultrasonic pulses act as our eyes, piercing through miles of water and solid rock.
Sophisticated sensors capture the echoes, mapping the hidden architecture of the Earth's crust.
We look for the signature of black gold, hidden within ancient geological traps.
Precision is everything. Identifying the exact coordinates saves billions in exploration costs.
Once the location is set, we move in the giants of the sea to build our outpost. Autonomous robots take over where humans cannot, operating in the crushing depths of the abyss.
These mechanical pioneers secure the rig's foundation with surgical precision and immense strength.
A marvel of modern engineering, this city of steel is built to withstand the fiercest hurricanes. Every bolt is torqued to perfection, ensuring a stable base for the high-pressure work ahead.
Only industrial diamonds can bite through the impenetrable layers of prehistoric rock.
The journey down begins, a path carved through miles of stone to reach the treasure below.
High-speed automation keeps the momentum, driving the drill deeper second by second.
We are reaching into the Earth's history, targeting the high-pressure crude oil reservoirs. Real-time data confirms the strike. We have officially reached the source of the crude oil. To harness the beast, we install the Christmas tree, a complex system of high-pressure valves.
It is a delicate dance of heavy machinery, aligning tons of steel within millimeters.
The connection will lead us.
These valves give us total control over the immense pressure of the crude oil below.
Safety is our priority. Every seal is tested to ensure zero leaks into the marine environment.
With the turn of a valve, we awaken the sleeping giant under the seabed.
Listen to the roar of progress. The crude oil is finally flowing at maximum capacity.
Raw crude oil is a mixture. We must separate the gold from the impurities.
Valuable natural gas is captured first, ensuring no energy is wasted in this luxury process.
We strip away the salt and water to protect our refinery equipment from corrosion. The crude oil is now primed and ready for the next stage of its transformation.
The crude oil is temporarily held in massive reinforced hulls, stabilizing the flow from deep within the earth.
Precision monitoring ensures the crude oil remains at optimal conditions before its journey across the sea.
Maintaining perfect pressure balance is critical when storing millions of gallons of raw energy. A lifeline of energy connects the rig to the tanker, capable of moving thousands of barrels per minute.
Every connection must be absolute. our American crews ensure a spill-free transfer in any sea condition.
The pulse of the industry flows through these high-strength conduits, fueled by massive high-pressure pumps.
Supertankers act as floating pipelines, bridging the gap between offshore rigs and the mainland refineries.
This massive vessel is now a heavyweight champion, carrying the lifeblood of modern transportation.
Across thousands of miles of open ocean, this crude oil is protected by state-of-the-art navigation systems. Satellite technology guides the tanker through the most efficient routes, minimizing time and fuel consumption. Power and scale define this journey. A single tanker can carry enough crude oil to fuel a city for weeks.
This is the luxury of logistics, moving raw power across the globe with silent, massive efficiency.
The journey nears its end as the crude oil arrives at our high-capacity coastal receiving terminal.
Advanced robotic arms take the lead, eliminating human error during the critical connection phase.
A secure lock is established, opening the gates for the crude oil to move from sea to land.
The discharge begins, pushing the crude oil into the heart of our vast onshore storage network.
Welcome to the tank farm, where millions of barrels of crude oil are classified and stored by grade.
These titanic structures are the lungs of the refinery, holding the crude oil ready for its final transformation.
Continuous agitation keeps the crude oil uniform, ensuring consistent quality for the refining process.
To protect our machines, we first wash the crude oil with hot water to dissolve any trapped salts.
The desalter is a giant centrifuge of chemistry, stripping away corrosive elements at high speeds.
An intense electric field forces the water droplets to merge and sink, leaving the crude oil pure. We remove the salt to prevent rust and corrosion in our multi-billion-dollar distillation towers.
The desalted crude oil is now ready for the furnace, its impurities left behind in the cleaning phase.
Efficiency is key. We use the heat from the rest of the factory to warm the incoming crude oil. The crude oil is now primed for its most dramatic change, moving toward the heat of transformation. This is the scale of modern energy, a relentless pursuit of power and purity for a world on the move. Next, the fire will unlock the true potential hidden within every drop of this desalted crude oil. Heat is our first tool, recycled through massive exchange networks to prime the crude oil for its transformation. Thermal efficiency is the heartbeat of this American facility, saving energy and maximizing every drop of power. We harness the power of wasted heat to gently raise the temperature of the crude oil before the fire. The crude oil gathers momentum, soaking up the thermal energy from the entire refinery complex.
Now we reach the furnace, where raw fire begins to unlock the secrets hidden within the dark crude oil.
Intense heat, reaching a staggering 370 degrees Celsius, flashes the crude oil into a high-energy vapor.
The liquid black gold is now a powerful gas, a volatile mix ready to be sorted by its molecular weight.
This furnace is the engine of the refinery, breathing life into the crude oil at the start of its journey.
The hot vapor enters the giant, a 60-meter tower designed for the ultimate separation of energy. Internal trays act as molecular filters, letting each component of the crude oil find its place based on heat.
Built with the finest American engineering, this tower is a masterpiece of high-pressure industrial science.
From top to bottom, the crude oil is instantly sorted into a spectrum of essential energy products. At the summit, the lightest molecules are captured, destined to become high-purity natural gases. These gases will become LPG,
providing clean, efficient energy for millions of homes and businesses. Consistent pressure ensures the safety and ultra-high quality of our American-made liquefied petroleum gas. Our first product is born, clean, powerful, and ready to meet the demands of the American market.
We guarantee the highest standards for the gas that fuels your daily life and industrial progress.
Just below the gas, we extract naphtha, the high-value precursor and the soul of modern gasoline. This raw liquid is the foundation for the high-octane fuels that power the world's most advanced engines.
From here, this liquid gold moves to the next phase to be transformed into premium-grade gasoline.
Intelligent routing ensures every drop of naphtha is optimized for maximum power and minimal emissions.
In the heart of the tower, we pull kerosene, the critical core ingredient for our Jet A1 aviation fuel.
We purify the kerosene until it reaches a level of clarity that exceeds all international aviation standards. From the depths of the Earth to the edge of the atmosphere, our Jet A1 is ready for the sky.
From the tower's lower depths, we extract diesel, the rugged powerhouse of the modern global economy.
Real-time adjustments ensure the diesel grade remains consistent, delivering maximum power and reliability to the end user.
Precise cooling preserves the fuel's chemical stability, preparing it for the rigorous journey to the storage tanks. Nothing is wasted. This heavy residue holds hidden potential that we extract using the world's most advanced technology.
Heavily insulated and heated, these pipes keep the thick crude residue flowing toward its next high-pressure transformation.
Our systems are built to handle the most extreme pressures, ensuring a safe and continuous flow of energy.
Entering the vacuum tower, we use low pressure to boil the thick residue without damaging its molecular structure. The vacuum must be perfect. Even a tiny leak could disrupt the delicate balance of this high-tech separation.
We have successfully pulled more value from the residue, creating the feedstocks for the world's highest quality fuels.
Even the final remains find a purpose, destined to become the smooth, durable asphalt for our nation's highways.
Like a mechanical alchemist, this catalyst breaks down the thick gas oil into high-octane gasoline and diesel.
American ingenuity at work, pushing the boundaries of chemistry to ensure a steady supply of high-performance energy. In the hydrocracker, we use pure hydrogen and extreme pressure to create the cleanest diesel and Jet A1 on Earth.
Built for safety and power, this reactor is where we strip away sulfur and impurities at a molecular level.
The result is ultra-low sulfur fuel, protecting your engine from corrosion while significantly reducing environmental impact.
Purity is the hallmark of our aviation fuel, ensuring total reliability for the high-altitude demands of global flight.
We set the global benchmark for fuel purity, ensuring a cleaner burn and a more sustainable energy future.
The reformer is where we give gasoline its punch, transforming naphtha into the high-octane spirit of the road.
This high-octane component is the key to premium performance, designed for the world's most luxurious and powerful vehicles.
Every drop of our gasoline is engineered for excellence, meeting the strict demands of modern, high-efficiency engines.
From crude residue to high-octane power, we redefine what's possible in the world of luxury energy production. We take invisible light gases and fuse them into alkylate, the purest high-octane component for luxury performance. Precision chemistry at the molecular level ensures your luxury vehicle delivers limitless power without hesitation.
Millions of gallons of this premium additive stand ready to elevate the standard of American gasoline.
In the hydrotreater, we wage a war on sulfur, stripping away pollutants to protect both your engine and our environment. Every seal is tested to hold back the immense pressure required to create the world's cleanest burning liquid energy. The result is a fuel so pure it meets the most stringent global standards, defining the luxury of sustainability. Even the waste is repurposed, ensuring our high-volume production remains a closed loop of industrial efficiency.
To clean our fuels, we must first create the purest hydrogen, the ultimate cleaning agent of the modern refinery. Harnessing the power of natural gas, we extract the hydrogen atoms needed to refine the next generation of energy. This invisible force is the key to our purification process, flowing relentlessly into our cracking and treating units.
Absolute purity is the American standard. We accept nothing less when it comes to the heart of our refining process.
In the isorption unit, we literally reshape the fuel, turning ordinary naphtha into a smooth-burning, high-octane masterpiece.
By changing the molecular shape, we eliminate engine rattle and provide the silky smooth acceleration of a luxury ride. This refined isomerate is the final touch for a premium driving experience, engineered for quiet, effortless power.
We verify every molecular change, ensuring the fuel we provide delivers the performance you expect from a world-class refinery.
The final symphony begins at the blending station, where base gasoline meets its high-performance partners.
We inject advanced detergents and octane boosters to keep your engine's fuel system looking and performing like new. Our Euro 5 compliant gasoline is a triumph of engineering, designed for maximum efficiency and minimum emissions.
Every gallon is certified for the road, a promise of American quality delivered to your local pump.
Ready for the highway, our premium gasoline is the lifeblood of freedom and the ultimate fuel for the American spirit.
We engineer our fuel to never fail, giving you the confidence to drive through any climate with total peace of mind. From long-haul trucking to luxury SUV performance, our diesel is the undisputed champion of efficiency and power.
For the skies, we take kerosene and pass it through surgical-grade filters to create the world's most trusted Jet A1.
The sky is the limit when you have the world's most refined energy flowing through your wings.
Clean engines last longer and emit less. Our detergent-rich gasoline is the ultimate insurance policy for your high-performance luxury vehicle's fuel system. Every microliter of additive is metered by a computerized system, guaranteeing that our American standard of cleanliness is met in every single gallon.
From the first start to the long haul, our additives ensure that your engine maintains its factory-fresh performance, mile after glorious mile.
Science meets industry in our state-of-the-art laboratory, where the world's most advanced fuels are scrutinized for absolute microscopic perfection.
Using high-definition digital microscopes, we inspect the molecular clarity of our fuels to ensure
Even a single micron of dust is a failure in our eyes, and we guarantee that our Jet A1 is the cleanest aviation fuel on the planet.
This rigorous testing is why the world's elite pilots and drivers trust our energy. This electronic seal of excellence is the gold standard, confirming that every batch of fuel exceeds international
quality is a promise we keep with every gallon, and our certification process ensures that the power you buy is the power you get.
With a single command, the massive outbound valves are unlocked, allowing the certified fuels to flow toward the final storage and loading bays.
Now, the finished products move to their final resting place. Massive, insulated white tanks that shield our high-octane treasures from the elements.
These tanks are the lungs of the refinery, holding millions of gallons of gasoline, diesel, and Jet A1 at a perfectly controlled temperature.
Inside, the fuel is kept in a state of perfect stasis, protected by a nitrogen blanket to prevent any oxidation or moisture buildup. Our storage facility is a masterpiece of logistics, where every tank is connected to a high-speed network of pumps and safety sensors.
Security is paramount. These tanks are monitored 24/7 by satellite and thermal imaging to ensure the integrity of America's most valuable energy reserves.
The loading bay comes alive as the giants of the road arrive. Our automated arms are ready to...
Our drivers are the elite of the road, trained to transport this high-grade energy with the utmost care and professional American pride.
For the sky, the stakes are even higher. Our Jet A1 convoys move with military precision toward the world's busiest international airports.
At the airport, the Jet A1 is transferred into dedicated high-purity receiving tanks, undergoing a final round of...
From the depths of the Earth to the edge of space, our journey of refinement is a testament to American engineering and industrial luxury. At the gate, our ultra-pure Jet A1 meets the giants of the sky, ready to bridge the gap between continents.
With a secure, high-pressure lock, we initiate the final transfer of energy that makes global travel possible.
Fueled by American excellence, this aircraft is now ready to conquer the heavens with total reliability. The journey from the refinery to the local community is almost complete, bringing power to where it's needed most. Our premium fuel arrives at its destination, a temple of modern energy designed for the discerning driver.
Behind the scenes, a digital nerve center synchronizes the station's inventory with the global pricing index in real time.
Instant updates ensure total transparency, providing the latest American market rates at the touch of a button.
The interface is designed for elegance and ease, offering a premium user experience that reflects the quality of the fuel itself.
Seamless technology meets high-performance energy, making every refueling stop a fast, efficient, and luxurious affair.
A beacon of quality and trust, our brand stands tall as a symbol of American industrial excellence and luxury. We transform a simple refueling stop into a world-class experience, where light and design meet the power of our fuels.
Clear, bold, and honest, our pricing reflects the value of the most advanced refining process in the world today.
From the depths of the Earth to the pulse of your engine, the journey of energy is complete, and the road ahead is yours.
This is more than just a gas station. It is a monument to the relentless pursuit of energy perfection.
Reliability starts with the right choice. Our 92 grade provides the perfect balance of efficiency and daily power. Precision engineered to fit perfectly, our fueling systems prevent every drop of gasoline from being wasted or spilled.
American service at its finest. We handle your energy needs with the same care we use during production.
Ignite the results of thousand-mile engineering with a single touch, feeling the pulse of pure liquid power.
Hear the difference that purity makes. A smoother idle and a more responsive drive, thanks to our clean fuel.
Your journey is powered by the most complex industrial process on Earth, refined for your absolute comfort.
From the deep ocean to the urban pulse, we provide the lifeblood that keeps the modern world in motion.
This is the value of 45 stages of perfection, an unwavering promise of quality delivered to every driver.
We connect the globe through energy, turning raw crude into the freedom of movement for millions.
A testament to industrial pride and scientific mastery, built for the future and refined for excellence today.
The journey of energy never ends. It is the silent force behind every dream and every mile you travel.